Fall is the time of year where lots of birds migrate to warmer places, so we should be able to go outside right now and find lots of interesting birds as they migrate past. Let's see what we can find. A pair of blue jays catching bugs. Blue jays spend the winter here, so they're collecting as much food as they can before everything is covered in snow. A downy woodpecker joined in the search for bugs. They are also year-round residents. The fall leaves are a rainbow of warm colors that are brilliant against the blue sky. Yellows, oranges, and reds and greens are the banners of fall. Northern flickers are woodpeckers that do whatever they want. This one is looking for food in a dead tree, but they can also forage on the ground. Some flickers migrate south for the winter, and some stay up north. The falling leaves reveal the activity of spring, with abandoned nests having fulfilled their purpose and the young already fledged and flown south. The lack of leaves also revealed some mysterious birds. They are high up in the trees, but the angle wasn't right to identify them. There was almost, but not quite enough information to identify this one. And whatever birds these were. Then we saw a majestic bald eagle wheeling in the sky. I went out the next day to find some migrating birds and found a huge flock of Canada geese. They are stopping on their migratory path to pick up a meal and continue south. The annual rhythms of life continue everywhere. All we have to do is appreciate them. I was surprised how nice it is to go birding in the fall. The weather's still warm if you go out on the right day. You can see really active birds as they're either migrating or looking for food for the winter. The leaves aren't in the way, and even if you don't see a single bird, you're going to see the trees that are like beautiful works of art. I would definitely recommend birding in the fall. Thanks for learning about birds. You can subscribe to keep collecting new bird videos, or you can watch another one right now to learn a new bird fact. Thanks for stopping by this week to learn what makes life awesome.